trash na mga dahon.
Our project today is how to make leaf mold compost the fast way. Since I had nothing to do during the lockdown, I decided to collect dried leaves from around the village. Thankfully, the maintenance people did a great job at leaving their pile of leaves all wrapped up in trash bags, just waiting to be picked up by me. When leaves fall to the ground, microorganisms decompose them to become humus, which are absorbed by the plant as nutrients. This takes around 40 months in a natural setting. However, we discovered a faster way to do this in around 8 months. Ideally, we shred the leaves, but since we have no shredder, we just put them in a trash bag and moisten it with water. And here is my previously made compost. The leaves turned into a very nutrient-rich brown soil-like material, which I can use for my garden. So, if you plan to grow your own vegetable garden, this is an inexpensive organic fertilizer for your plants.